What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Megatron from Transformers 1. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with a large curve for the bottom edge of the helmet. So we'll start on the left side, I'm going to bend this down in the center, and then back up on the right. Let's go back to the left side, we're going to draw a large half circle. So we'll start by going up, round out the head, go across, and then back down. Let's add some detail to this area. We're going to step up and draw that same curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Now on either side, we're going to draw 3 lines. So we'll start on the left, coming straight down. Now I want to take the same distance over towards the right and do the same thing. And I'll draw 2 more lines along the outside. With the top of the head in place, let's move down in the center, add a curve from left to right, going up across the top of the nose and then back down. Now on either side, we're just going to angle this down and out towards the bottom edge of the nose. And then we'll round out the bottom, coming down and then up. Go back to the left side, draw a curve going up and then down to create a facet. From these 2 points, let's angle the eyes, going up and then out towards the bottom edge of the helmet. Now on the left side, we're going to draw a circle. We're going to go all the way around and just pull that up towards the side of the nose. Let's trace this curve along the inside, just leaving a thin trim going all the way around and then up. And then in the center of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for the pupils. From the center of the nose, let's step down and add the mouth. We're going to curve this up and then back down. Step down, add a short curve for the lower lip. Now from here, we're going to work our way around the inside of the helmet. Let's start from the outside of the left eye, come straight down. Same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. We want to angle this down and in, across the cheekbones. Now the chin is going to get narrower as it comes down towards the bottom, to right about there. Let's close off the bottom with a curve for the chin. From the side of the nose, we're going to add a bevel, angle this down and then out. Let's go back to the bottom corners of the helmet. We're going to draw a straight angled line, coming down and then out. Now we want to curve this down and in towards the bottom corner of the chin. So come down and then bend that in. Let's continue this angle line from this point, going up and then out towards the side of the head. Let's trace these 2 lines across the bottom, down and in, and then down towards the bottom. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the top half of the body. We're going to start underneath the head on the left side. We're going to bend this out and then come straight down. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing, going out and then down towards the same height. Now you want to close out the bottom with a straight line. Let's add some detail inside from the chin, coming straight down on either side. And we'll close off the bottom. Now in the center, let's draw a half circle, going all the way around and then down. Let's add a trim along the side. We're going to step in, follow that same curve, going out and then down. And we're going to tuck a section in underneath. From the bottom corners, we're going to step in, and it's down and in, close off the bottom. Now we're going to step in, draw 2 straight angled lines coming down. Let's leave a gap, step down, draw a straight line going across from left to right. Come down the sides with a short line, and we'll close this off. Now I want to connect this piece to the upper torso, so we're going to step in and draw 2 lines coming down. Now I'm going to move in, draw 2 straight lines coming down and in, and we'll close off the bottom. From these 2 points, we're going to work our way along the inside of the legs. So let's start on the left, coming down and out towards the inside of the knee. And then from here, we're going to draw an oval, going up and then back in. From the bottom of each oval, draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the heels. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up. Now we're going to go to the outside of the foot, draw a half circle going up, and we'll bend that down towards the heel. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom with that same curve. Now we're going to go to the outside of that oval. We're just going to bend this up and then out towards the knee. And we'll angle this down and out towards the outside of the foot. Let's go back to the hips, draw a straight angle line coming down and then out. Now let's move back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the side of the body, angle this up and then out, just underneath the head. Let's round out the shoulders, come down in an angle towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the bottom with a short angled line coming in. Angle this up and then in towards the side of the body. Now in between these two lines, we're going to add a curve going out and then in for the arm socket. Now from the side of the body, we're going to curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, come down, and then bend that up around that bracket. Step down, go out, and then up with the second finger. And then the 3rd finger, we're just going to wrap this around and in towards the outside of the wrist. Let's curve this down and in towards the top of the thumb. And then we're going to close off the outside of the arm. From this point in the shoulder, step in, bend this out, and then down towards the wrist. Let's add a thick cuff across the wrist. And then along the top, coming in, let's do the same thing on the right side. And then sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Megatron from Transformers 1. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. What's up everyone, and welcome to our club memberships. Are you ready to take your art skills to the next level? Well, I've got something special just for you. Introducing our channel membership, starting at only $1 per month. For less than the price of a cup of coffee, you'll get exclusive access to a world of bonus features and perks that will enhance your journey with me. As a member, you'll be treated to brand new weekly tutorials that are available only to our valued members. Want to learn the latest techniques and dive deeper into the topics I cover? This is your chance. You'll also gain access to our member-only community feed where you can connect with fellow members, share your progress, and participate in exclusive polls. Your voice matters, and I want to hear from you. And let's talk about the perks. You'll receive a set of custom chat emojis to use during our live streams and premieres, adding a personal touch to your interactions with me. Plus, you'll proudly showcase your support with special member badges that highlight your dedication. But wait, there's more. As a member, you'll get access to future perks I roll out. I'm constantly working behind the scenes to bring you even more exclusive content, surprises, and experiences. So join our channel membership today and become a part of our exclusive community. For just $1 per month, you'll unlock a world of premium content, engagement, and fun. Click that join button now and let's embark on this exciting journey together.